Thanks for coming, guys. Our transformative solutions will accelerate your business. Here's how. Oh, just a hiccup. This is just gonna be a minute.
I'll go get IT.
Thanks. You know, I might have an old dongle that will work with that.
Dongle, funny word, right? Okay, there we go. We are almost there. Help yourself to the wraps. There's corn, spinach. Oh, and we are ready to...
Oh, do you have any mustard?
No.
No mustard.
Get performance that's built to impress. Upgrade to smart and sleek Ultrabooks with Intel's best processors ever.